Craftsman ordered some weathering powders, but they have not come in the mail yet. But that's what they're supposed to look like right there. That's give us the opportunity to make our very own weathering powders. One of the more well-known ways that you can do this is to take you some pastels. A couple of things. First of all, you don't want to use all pastels, all right? It needs to be the chalky one. The pastel that I have right here actually is the most soft variety, see that? And I personally did not really like the way that they were behaving as a weathering powder. So what can we do? I went out into the yard and got me some sandstone. I broke me off a little chunk with my hammer and got my little mortar and pestle. And look at this. I just ground me up some sandstone powder. Craftsman, we don't have sandstone in my neck of the woods. Another thing that you can use for simulating a dirt effect is some dirt. This can make your tire look more realistic. And so once you get things how you like it, then you need to lock it in place to fix it. Craftsman used a matte acrylic spray. Same thing I've been using through the whole episode. Craftsman, you remember a little while ago I said I don't have a matte acrylic spray? If you might want to experiment with hairspray, some hairsprays actually will work in place of this right here.